Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Julia Natasha binti Samsuri from Sekolah Menengah Kebahasaan Sultan Indonesia 2 Geri Perak with the school code AEE 7032. Today, I would like to share a meaningful book that has touched my heart. The title of the book is Lyrics and You, written by Nurjana Usop. First of all, Lyrics and You is not just an ordinary book. It is a collection of thoughts, emotions, and reflections. The author uses a poetic and poetry style to explore self-discovery, feelings, and emotional growth. It is a book that speaks directly to the heart. The book follows a young woman's emotional journey through life, love, and self-worth. Her experiences are shared through short poems and reflections. Some pages talk about sadness, while others bring hope and strength. The writing is simple yet powerful, easy to understand, and deeply moving. Some of the poems reflect heartbreak and letting go, faith and forgiveness, hope and self-acceptance. The author reminds us that even in pain, there is beauty and hope. From this book, I have learned many lessons. Number 1, it is okay to be vulnerable. Expressing emotion is a sign of strength. Next, love yourself first. Accepting who you are is the first step to happiness. The last one is healing takes time. With patience and faith, we can overcome anything. Lyrics and You is more than just a book. It is a guide for the soul and a comforting companion. I highly recommend it to anyone, especially teens who are exploring their emotions and identity. Before I go, let me leave you with this line. In page soft, her voice was clear, a whisper strong for the hearts to hear. Through every line, she taught me healing takes its time. A mirror head to soul and truth, a gentle friend to guide my love. Lyrics and You, a song, a light that stay with me beyond the night. Thank you for listening to my review. May your hearts always find its way. Assalamualaikum and goodbye.